In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save flowchart in draw.io. By the end, you'll have your flowchart saved with a clear file name in the exact location you choose on your device, Google Drive, or OneDrive. With your flowchart open in draw.io, first go to the top menu and click File. You'll see a drop-down with your file options appear. Next, click Save As. This tells draw.io you want to create a saved copy with a name and location you control rather than just saving changes in the background. Now choose your location. In the Save As panel, select where you want the file to live. Pick device to save the file directly to your computer. Choose Google Drive if you want it stored in your Google account, or choose OneDrive if you prefer Microsoft's cloud. As you click each option, the interface will update to show the relevant picker for that location. If you're saving to your device, a standard file window opens so you can choose a folder on your computer. If you select Google Drive or OneDrive, you'll see your cloud folder so you can place the file exactly where you want it. Take a moment to select the correct folder so you can find the flowchart easily later. Enter file name. Click into the name field and type a clear, simple name for your flowchart. Keep it descriptive so it's easy to identify at a glance. If your organizing versions include a date or short label, for example, process flowchart review, make sure the name is spelled the way you want. This is what will appear in your folder. If the save button looks inactive, it usually means the name field is empty. Just type the file name to enable it. Click Save. On your device, the window will close and the file will be written to the folder you chose. In Google Drive or OneDrive, draw.io will upload the file directly into the selected folder. You should see a brief confirmation or the window will simply close once the save completes. From here, you can continue working. Your name file is now stored in the location you selected, and future saves will update this file. At this point, the save is complete. Your flowchart is safely stored with the file name you entered in the exact folder you selected on device, Google Drive, or OneDrive, and you can reopen it anytime. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.